So now I'm going to discuss the problems in exercise 3.4. First question. The given equations are x plus y is equals to 5, 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Let it be 1, let it be 2. So now I want to make the x coefficients equal. So as usual, equation 1 should be multiplied with equation 2 x coefficient, that is 2. Equation 2 should be multiplied with equation 1 x coefficient. There is nothing value, no value means that is 1. That will result 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Then 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Suppose if it is 3 and 4. So now if you observe here, 2x and 2x both are having same symbols. If you add, they won't eliminate. So to eliminate, we need to subtract. So subtract 3 and 4. So that implies subtraction in the sense, already I said now how to subtract. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, minus plus minus. That means these symbols we need to eliminate. Already existing symbols, we need to change the existing symbols. So don't keep all the same symbols here. When you are subtracting means, for the second equation here, we need to give the new symbol. That means we need to eliminate the existing symbol and we should replace with the opposite symbol. If there is a plus, you need to give minus. If there is a minus, you need to give plus. Now minus 2x plus 2x will eliminate. 2 plus 3, 5y, 10 minus 4, 6. So y is equals to 6 plus 5. So a substitute value of y in equation 1. Then therefore x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. If you take LCM, 5x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. 5x plus 6 is equals to 25. 5x is equals to 25 minus 6. X is equals to 19 by 5. So finally x comma y is 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. So that's your solution. First question, second subpart. The given equations are 3x plus 4y is equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. So let it be 1, let it be 2. So as I said, the first equation should be multiplied with the second equation x coefficient. The second equation should be multiplied with x coefficient of first equation. So this will result, if you multiply with 2, 6x plus 8y is equals to 20 and 3 2's 6x minus 6y is equals to 6. So since 6x 6x both are having the same symbols, if we subtract, that means symbol should change. Then this will eliminate 8 plus 6, 14 by, because this minus should not be considered, you should change the symbols. 20 minus 6, 14. So y is equals to 1. So therefore, so given what they given, 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Suppose if it is 3, so from 3 what we can write, 2x minus 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 2x is equals to 2 plus 2. X is equals 2x equals to 4. That implies x is equals to 2. So x comma y equals to 2 comma 1. So this is the solution for the given two equations. So next question, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 and 9x is equals to 2y plus 7. So first of all, so follow one standard format. So always try to write in the form of ax plus by is equals to c. Then it will be easy to solve. So 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. Let it be 1. And 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. Let it be 2. It's in the standard format. So now suppose and first equation with 3 to second equation with 1. See here, I changed the things. In the previous questions I said multiply with the x coefficient, and here also like that I explained. Now here first one I am multiplying with 3. Why? Because the second one is 9x. If you multiply with 3, you will get that 9x. So we can follow this also. This is another method. So till now we will follow only one process, multiplying with the alternate x coefficients. Here I change things because our aim is to make the coefficients same. So 1 into 3, then 9x minus 15y equals to 12. Second one same, because if I multiply with 1 I will get the same coefficients, so that I am not changing again. So minus plus minus. So this will eliminate. Minus 13y is equals to plus 5. So now xy is equals to minus 5 by 13. Let it be 3. So therefore we can write 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 equals to 4. Just substituting in the equation 1. 3x plus 25 by 13 is equals to 4. 13 3s are 39x plus 25 by 13 equals to 4. So 39x plus 25 equals to 52. 39x is equals to 52 minus 25. X is equals to 27 by 39. 3 9s are 3 13s are. So x is equals to 3 9s 3 13s. 9 by 13. So finally x comma y is 9 by 13 comma minus 5 by 13. This is the solution. In first subpart fourth question, the given equations x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. So now we need to solve this. So as I said, the first you need to make them in a standard format. So if you take LCM, 3x plus 4 into y by 6 is equals to minus 1. 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Let it be equation 1. And here 3x minus y by 3 equals to 3. 3x minus y is equals to 9. That will be 2. If you observe here, x coefficients are already equal. So again, no need to multiply with some non-zero value because already we got the coefficients equal. So equation 1 minus 2. That means 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. 3x minus y plus 9. So as I said, subtraction, that symbols should change. So these symbols won't be there. 3x minus 3x will eliminate. 4 plus 1y. This is 5y minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. Y is equals to minus 15 by 5, that equals to minus 3. So y is equals to minus 3. So now considering 2, consider equation 2. 3x minus y is equals to 9. 3x is equals to 9 plus y. So from 3, assume this as 3. From 3 we can write 3x is equals to 9 plus 9 minus 9 plus of minus 3. So 3x is equals to 9 minus 3, x is equals to 6 by 3, that equals to 2. So x comma y equals to 2 comma minus 3. This is the solution.